Hi everyone, this is going to be the reading for Cancer for February 2021. What are the messages for Cancer for February 2021? This could be Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mars, as well as North Node, or if you have a bunch of planets in Cancer, this reading might resonate with you. If it doesn't, be sure to check out the other signs in my on my channel to see what resonates with you. What are the messages for Cancer for February 2021? Okay, so I'm getting the Knight of Wands in reverse. I'm getting the Five of Pentacles. What are the messages for Cancer for February 2021? I'm getting the Justice card in reverse. I'm getting the Hierophant. I'm getting the Seven of Pentacles. What are the messages for Cancer for February 2021? What does Cancer need to know for February 2021? What are the messages for Cancer? Okay, so I'm getting the King of Pentacles in reverse. What are the messages for Cancer for February 2021? What does Cancer need to know for February 2021? What does Cancer need to know for February 2021? Okay, so I'm seeing the Nine of Wands in reverse. Excuse me. What messages for Cancer for February 2021? I'm seeing the Five of Cups. What are the messages for Cancer for February 2021? What do they need to know? I'm seeing the Hanged Man. So let's get started. So I'm going to do some clarifications if something is not clear, but let's get started. So in the past, I do see somebody with Sagittarius energy. The Knight of Wands is what I'm getting in reverse. So this tells me this was a past person. So this could have been a Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mars, or North Node, or a lot of planets in Sagittarius, or this could have just been somebody who embodies the Sagittarius archetype. So somebody who is very fiery, very outgoing, probably very outdoorsy, extroverted, a little bit blunt, maybe just says whatever is on their mind, very honest, very truthful, very bold, that kind of energy. This was a past person is what I'm picking up on. But for some reason I feel like this person is maybe still in your life. I'm not too sure. I'm going to do some clarification on that. And I'm also seeing the King of Pentacles in reverse. So this is you, Taurus, but this could have been, because I'm also getting the Hierophant as well. So both are you. This could have been another Taurus in your life as well, is what I'm picking up on in terms of past energy. This could have been a Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mars, North Node, or just a bunch of planets in Taurus, or this could have been a Libra person because I am getting the Justice card in reverse. This is past energy. So this could have been a Sagittarius person, Taurus person, or a Libra person in the past. In the past, I'm also picking up this Nine of Wands in reverse. So whoever this person was in your past relationship, Cancer, they were very guarded. I'm sorry, I don't know why I said this is you. This is not you, Cancer. So like I said, the person in the past, they could have been a Sagittarius. This could have been a Taurus person because I'm getting the Hierophant and King of Pentacles in reverse. This could have also been a Libra person, the Justice card in reverse. But in the past, this person, whoever they were very guarded. The Nine of Wands reversed, that's past energy. It speaks of somebody who's very guarded. They had their walls up, Cancer, and you tried to make this relationship work a lot, but somehow this person would not open up. They were very, very defensive. They were very guarded, maybe because they had been hurt in the past or whatever, like they had been burnt in a previous relationship. So they were not really ready to open up to you. And because of that, you suffered a lot of loneliness and dejection, because the Five of Pentacles made you, this is an energy of feeling a little bit abandoned, out in the cold kind of energy. So it's like, Cancer, even though you were in a relationship with this past person, you never felt like you were in a relationship with them. You always felt like you were left out in the cold. You never felt that reciprocal energy of being loved back, of being given that kind of affection and nurturing that you crave so much, Cancer. Like, you are the nurturer of the zodiac. You give so much when you're in a relationship, but somehow with this past person, I feel like they never returned the energy to you. They always kept themselves guarded. You never knew what was going on with them. They've never opened up to you. They had all their cards close to their chest. They were very secretive, probably also. Maybe not on purpose, but because they had been hurt in the past, they never really opened up to you, Cancer, that much. And because of that, you felt a lot of pain. The Five of Cups is somebody who, this is this element of regret in this card. This energy is that of regret. It's kind of looking like feeling unappreciated is the energy I'm picking up on. So, Cancer, in this past relationship, you felt very abandoned, very much left out in the cold. You felt very unappreciated, and that's the worst thing that Cancer can go through, because you give so much when you're in a relationship. The least somebody can do is return that energy back to you, because you also need to have your cup full. You also need to feel nourished, and you need to feel nurtured in the relationship. And you've given so much of yourself in the past, Cancer, in general, not just the past relationship. Like, you are the nurturer of the zodiac. You've given so much of yourself that it's really depleted your energy. So I don't know if this person, the Sagittarius or the Taurus or Libra person, is still in your life, but if they're still in your life, I feel like they're still in your life. The current energy is that you're feeling really unappreciated. You're feeling really rejected, not rejected, but like they don't really appreciate having you in their life. And you feel you're kind of reaching this stage where you're questioning things. The Hanged Man upright is about a change of perspective. You're kind of feeling in a rut right now, like this relationship is going nowhere, because let's face it, Cancer, you're a water sign. You're very emotional, and people usually get it twisted. They think Cancer is like overly emotional and like the crybaby of the zodiac or whatever. But no, Cancer, you are a money maker. You are a cardinal sign. Let's not forget that. And this is a time for you to focus on the money, focus on the coin. The Seven of Pentacles here is telling you to put in that energy, like retract that energy from this relationship you're in and put it towards your financial goals. Like, really plan for the future. And you're great at that, Cancer. You naturally attract money. You're very good at manifesting money, Cancer. So this is the time for you to put that energy back into your finances, like set some long-term goals for yourself, like maybe invest money in some stocks, medium risk stocks. I don't know if you're into investing in stocks and shares, but you could give that a try. Or just investing and financial planning is what I'm picking up from this card. So this month of February is a good time to do that, but at the same time we are in retrograde season, astrologically speaking. So I wouldn't advise you to make any risky ventures. Go for something that is stable, that'll give you long-term dividends, long-term results. But the idea is, you can even start small. Like, you don't even have to invest something, but you could just have like a budgeting plan, like keep track of your expenses, see where you're spending, see which are excess spending, whatever you're doing excess spending, and try to mitigate that. So the Hanged Man right now, Cancer, you're in a very critical stage of your life, because it's requiring you, the month of February is kind of like a wake up call for you. You're being forced to look at relationships in a whole new light, where you may have given so much of your energy and time and patience. You're so nurturing. You may have given so much of yourself that you're finally questioning, is it really worth it? And why do I need to face these non-reciprocal relationships? You're kind of reaching that point in the month of February where you're questioning things, and this is a good place to be in, because it's going to shift your focus to what's really important: your own stability, your own money, your own finances, the bank, the coin, which you're really good at. You are the money maker of the zodiac. Let's see what other messages are there for you, Cancer, my lovely Cancerians. For February, what does Cancer need to know for the month of February? What are the messages for Cancer? Okay, so I'm getting the Moon card, but it's in reverse. This could be somebody with strong Pisces influence in the past as well. But the Moon card in reverse also speaks to a blocked intuition, because the Moon represents our intuition. And Cancer, you are very intuitive. You are a water sign. You are very connected to your emotions. But I feel like at this point, like in the current energies, I feel like your intuition is a little bit blocked. You're not very connected to your feelings right now. You're not able to see what's real and what's not. I feel like you're a little bit blocked when it comes to spiritual guidance, and it's really important for you to tap into that. And one way to do that is to retract your energy from this current relationship and put that energy back into yourself. Like I said, focus on your finances, focus on your wealth, long-term planning, that sort of thing. But Cancer, you deserve so much. You deserve so much more. You deserve a relationship that gives you everything that you want. Who is the person that's going to come into Cancer's life during the month of February? Who is coming into Cancer's life in February 2021? Okay, so I'm getting the Two of Cups, but it's in reverse. Now, the Two of Cups is about alignment, internal alignment. So right now I feel like you're not really focused on getting a new relationship in the month of February. It's more about connecting with yourself, like putting that energy back into planning, financial planning, like I said before. And also, main thing is to get in touch with your intuition. I feel like your intuition is blocked right now, so it's really important that you get back into that mode. Trust your instincts, trust your gut, whatever is telling you. That's going to be very crucial in the month of February. So that's it, guys. That's a reading for Cancer for February 2021. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If this video resonated with you, do drop in a comment in the comment box below. I love to see when my videos resonate with you. And if you want to book a personal reading, contact me on my Facebook page or my email. Both the links are in the description box. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.